This is another surface cleaner for concrete. It's probably hard to tell in the video, but this one is much bigger. It cleans a 30-inch path at a time. But basically, the only difference is this one is on wheels, where the other one that I showed you earlier basically just hovers from the pressure caused by the water coming out of the nozzles. It just kind of hovers and moves around that way. This one just rolls on wheels. It's much heavier, so it's not going to hover. It's good for big areas, big driveways. A lot of times we'll have both of them running at the same time, but the biggest thing with this one, here's the trigger. Here's where the end of your hose gets plugged into. You unattach your wand and then plug this in. We'll usually use a ball valve on here, and I'll show you that in a minute. That way you can turn the hose off and on. But then this is how you make the surface cleaner go. The biggest thing with this is this one wheel in the front. It's got two big wheels back here, but then the steering wheel here. The biggest thing with that is you don't want that dropping off of a patio or the edge of a concrete curb or anything like that, because if that drops off, then the whole surface cleaner drops, and that's how you can hit that bar underneath and damage it. So if you do have to go out over the edge of a patio, say this crack is the edge of a patio, if you do that, you just push down on here, and that way you kind of hover that wheel out over the edge and then bring it back on. So just apply pressure here and lift it up a little, but definitely don't let that wheel ever drop off the edge of concrete.